Hey guys, in this video I want to talk to you about how we use this camera, the GoPro, throughout the production of our series Life on the Reef. So if you're interested in learning more about how we use this camera in and around the water, then stick around. I've always said the best camera is the one that you've got in your hands, which made this the ideal fit for this production, given that most of it was going to be unscripted and in the moment. Throughout this production we worked with many different scientists, so it was quite interesting to see how they also used the GoPro to conduct their research. For us, it was not getting in their way and having something that could get straight in, get the shot we needed, let them continue with their research, but also get quality vision out of it as well that would easily grade in with the other cameras that we were shooting on. One of the great things with GoPro is those fresh perspectives that we're seeing right throughout the GoPro community. It's an easy camera to take with you. Out of all the cameras that we travel with, it's the camera that we've got with us all the time. The other really cool thing with the GoPro is its size. You know, particularly shooting in the water, you can get this camera and show fresh perspectives that you could not necessarily, or you could, but it would be very difficult to do with a bigger camera. Take for instance this shot I've taken with the turtle. I got in nice and close and was able to get nice close-up shots of the turtle's eye without interrupting or disturbing the turtle. Was able to come back, leave the turtle in peace. Now if I was to try that on one of my bigger cameras with a macro lens, I would probably say that the turtle would have been a little bit more hesitant with me approaching so close with a camera. It's been really exciting to watch the evolution and how far GoPro has pushed the boundaries, and being a part of that journey has been really exciting as well. For those of you that haven't seen our series yet, it is now streaming on YouTube. It's called Life on the Reef. It's a 12-part series. I hope you enjoy the series. Hope you've enjoyed this video. And let us know if there's anything else you want to see, and we might have to do a couple more of these videos. See you guys.